So as you can see here, brand new 899 Panigale 2014, 0 miles. I purchased this bike and have had nothing but troubles, unfortunately. As you see here, I was able to see all the stages in the process of that. Went from a brand new bike to basically, unfortunately, this.
This is what happens. Look, push the starter button. Your bike should start up, right? I can do this all day. All day, look. Oh, maybe we'll go again. Let's just try this again. Let's even vent the gas tank. Let's even pop this up. Like that should do anything. It's a new bike, right?
Okay, so right here, I'm basically going to push the starter button at the same time while rotating the throttle to get the bike to start.
And it cuts off.